Okay, the signals 1, 2, 3, 4, home, and the 2 coloured for the inside the station. If we pan down, we can see my test bench, which is the temporary. This is what it looks like, sort of main plus track, and then the other switch wires. Over here we have my temporary mimic, and then we have the actual control box and the power supply. So we've got it running at the moment. As you can see, all the signals are in the clear state. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a pair of pliers, these ones, as my train, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to drag it along those two like that, slowly, and I shall show you what happens. We have 1 over onto 2, over onto 3. Okay, we have a temporary little number 2 is a bit lethargic. Going along, number 4, number 5, and number 5, and number 6, and number 6, and as I come off the end, they all go to green. So that works, wonderful. Does the mimic? Well, let's have a look at the mimic. So if I hold that over there, the mimic, we go number 1, yay! We go along, number 2, along, 3, yes, number 2 stayed down again, number 4, number 5, number 6, and we're back where we started from. So it all works. Yee-haw, yay for us.